Hello, people. So, something very interesting came out very recently at AnacondaCon 2022. What we got to know is about PyScript. Now, this PyScript is a very interesting concept. It's basically a library on GitHub, which essentially lets you use Python inside HTML. So you have an HTML document wherein you are writing now in Python instead of writing in JavaScript. And whatever the hell you write, that is there in a website. You just have to send somebody this HTML file, and whatever you have written in there, that can also access your other libraries from PyPy, such as Matplotlib, NumPy, and maybe other libraries that you have authored and you have made them available on PyPy. Not all of them are available right now, but as time progresses, we would see more and more libraries being included. Now, how are they installed? Well, your browser, you can think of that as an isolated environment. And so all these libraries are being installed within the isolated environment of the browser, and then you run it and you're good to go. As a matter of fact, the Python that they make available like this over WebAssembly, that's probably around 5 to 6 MBs. I don't know, maybe maximum of like 10 or 12 MBs. Recently there was a podcast where I got the idea that the Python they're packaging up using WebAssembly, it's about 5 to 6 MBs. And then you have other libraries which probably could also be downloaded, because if your application needs them, they'll be downloaded, and that'll probably make it somewhere like 100 MBs. Now, if you were to compare this to other apps, mobile apps, such as the Facebook app or Instagram app on iOS, for instance, I'm using iOS, or other apps even on Google Play. These apps today are of 70, 60, maybe 80, 90, 100 MBs. That many megabytes these are. So if you compare with them, you create a new app and you send it to any device which can run something on a browser. Now your own application becomes a part of a mobile app. It can be run on any device, Windows, Mac, and Linux, as well as handheld devices, as well as your mobile phones. How cool is that? PyScript is being developed in an ongoing basis. A lot of people have shown a lot of interest in the community, and in the days to come, we'll see more and more development on it. And hopefully, very soon, a lot of people would be able to make their own apps just using HTML and Python. Isn't that great? Let's look forward to it. Stay tuned. Signing off, Ray.